Bob from Bob's Workshop. A few days ago, as I was getting ready to leave for the holidays and go on home, a friend from work came in bearing this gift. It was quite a surprise. And it was even more of a surprise when I opened it because it's a gift that's kind of tailor-made for my interests. So Miles, this video is for you as a way of saying thank you for such a really nice and thoughtful gift. I really appreciate it. Here is what Miles gave me.
So this was a complete surprise to me. I'm still really touched by such a thoughtful gesture, and it's just the perfect gift. If I had known that this car even existed, which I didn't, it's exactly the sort of model I would have bought for myself. Miles and I have discussed diecast cars before, and he was even telling me about the Fire Museum here in Cincinnati, which I have to go see. So of course I asked about their gift shop. Somehow I must have mentioned that I really like fire trucks and police cars, especially the European stuff. But what makes this car even more perfect is that it's a German car, in the size that I love, 1/43 scale. I grew up playing with Matchbox cars, and as a kid, I thought that they were pretty detailed. Even then, I liked any of the emergency vehicles. If it had flashing lights on the roof, I liked it. Police squad cars, an ambulance or two, and of course the red trucks and cars of the fire department. Matchbox made a Ford Galaxy in red and called it the fire chief's car, which is what I'm going to call this little VW Bug, the fire chief's car. It's so cool. Check out the sheer number of separately applied detail pieces. Windshield wipers, door handles, the headlights, and even the amber lenses within the bumper's turn signals. There are 3 different colors molded into the lens of each taillight. The window frames are highlighted with chrome paint, and there's even a tiny little chrome handle in the rear deck lid. Incredible. The more I look at this, the more impressed I become. Even zoomed in, looking at this car very closely, I think it's easily the equal of any model from Mini Champs or Herpa. Those two manufacture models for Mercedes-Benz and BMW, Porsche, and they're sold at both their museums and their car dealerships. This VW is at that level of quality, but at maybe a quarter of the price. This was a gift, so I swear I wasn't looking up the price, but I did want to see what else was available from this model maker, and I think I might be getting the police version of this same car, because it also looks really good.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and especially thank you to Miles for the subject of this video. It really made my day, and I hope you and your family are having a great Christmas, because that's what I'm doing with my family. And to everyone who's watching, Merry Christmas, and I will see you next year, 2025. Take care.